Hey, don't pop it! No, no, don't bite it! Super mad fail, bro. Peep this out, yo.
Fault garage door.
Don't listen to her, baby. It's not your fault.
Why are you recording me?
Hey! Because... Yeah, boy! It's a couple weeks for his birthday. Just surprising him with that Mike logo.
Oh my gosh.
Is that cool? Nope, that actually does not say Sean.
Say Mike.
Hey, can I get a pinata that says Chase?
You want to get a pinata that says Chase?
Oh,
Did that hurt?
yeah.
Sorry.
Daddy.
Run, boy, run, boy, run, boy, run. Look, it's my favorite time of the year is here. The birthday doesn't stop. We are in Target buying snacks for
My birthday.
Party. Sponsored by Birthday Party. I didn't think we'd be back here so soon, filling up another cart. You know what a tart is? Nope, a Target cart. Now we gotta fill up the candy dispenser from this video. What'd you throw in there? A Tic-Tac wrapper. I don't care. Add it to the cart. Check out. Put that in the cart. Happy birthday, Mike.
You're welcome.
What? That's so random. Oh man, Penguin's about to get it. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, he's so lucky, that Penguin.
No, you're not.
Oh.
Mike, I got the marshmallows.
You can't even throw. How about we try that again? I think that was a bit better.
Here's Mike's party cart. On a scale of 1 to 10, tell him how healthy it is. 1 being not healthy, 10 being healthy.
10's about right.
Get a lot of sugar and then you can get a lot of fat.
It's the night before Michael's party. We about to refill our DIY candy machine. Got that candy, got that Mike merch. Everyone at the party gets a shirt. You know what I'm saying? That's how we do. Oh my goodness, I'm just gonna steal one out the top. And then even steal one out the bottom. If you didn't see our video where we made this, don't go watch it.
It's a horrible video. Because candy spilled all over the floor.
Yeah.
Mike and Ike's replay.
You gotta push it, right? Okay. Whoa, not all of it! Yeah, I kind of mixed it up a little bit. Oh snap, final bag. Oh, this looks so beautiful. Yo, pour Sweet Tart Mini Chews.
I know.
That's what I just said. Oh, it's coming together. Now we just gotta wait for the party guests, yo. Party guests are gonna be here. Michael's all merched out. It's his merch birthday party. My man's even got the Mike logo on the candy. Yo, my man, we just had cake dropped off by the world's most awesomest cake maker. Look, my man.
Oh my gosh. That is so cool.
Yo, we got the Mike merch cake now on our shop.
Link in description.
Nah, we just kidding. Boom! Fast forward. We're about to play some paintball. You gonna say anything?
Wait, got one.
I don't know.
Oh, nice! If you're not wearing Mike merch, get out of the video. Let's see this shirt.
Motivating individuals kinetically every day. Motivating individuals kinetically every day. Motivating individuals kinetically every day. Motivating every day. Motivating individuals kinetically every day.
Mommy, you playing?
I'm playing.
I'm playing too, yo. What kind of skills you got? Dude! Dude, watch out, dude. That's like mad dangerous. All right, Mike, I'm coming for you, bro. Bro, you ready?
I think
I was just talking about how I'm not even gonna aim for you because it's your birthday. Say thanks, Daddy.
No thank you, Daddy. I know you're gonna hit me.
Okay. Team Funnel, y'all ready? Oh, thanks, man.
I think this is too big.
For your big head? I don't think so.
Wait, my hair.
Oh, my hair's in the way.
I sent the birthday boy on another team, so guys, we gotta light up Mike. Look at them just waiting. You guys waiting for us already. All right, we got a disadvantage because Mike and all his loser teammates are up in the castle. For real? It's his turn to take the castle over. Oh, this guy's got jokes. Did you get hit?
Yeah, I shot in the mouth.
Oh, where? Oh!
You hit me.
Oh, I did? I got it on your mouth? I'm sorry. Lex, did you get hit?
On my gun.
On your gun? Oh, right there. All right, well, now I'm going to go in the castle and let's see if you can still win.
I cannot keep this on. It's so foggy.
Oh, poor little winner baby crying. Me and mommy versus our own son and daughter.
This is awesome.
I know, let's light them up.
This is like the best kind of therapy.
She's a little messed up, guys. I'm sorry. All right, I'm about to go out there. Lex and Mike, you guys are left? Dang, Daddy's doing bad. Good job, Lex.
Thanks.
Dude, you beat me again, so it wasn't the castle. It was just me being a bad player. Okay, you holding it?
Yeah.
Because this could blow up, bro. Ready? And... Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. We lost twice. I don't like being on a losing team. Switch teams! Now I got Lex on my team and Mike.
And me.
And you. The reason I wanted to trade teams was because of you. This is a war zone. We have 8 minutes to destroy the other team. We're getting everybody out. The sun is right in my eye. See a little gun sticking out right there. I got no ammo. Alright, I'm faking it. Mike and mommy are still in. Is anybody left? That's our team. That's our team, you crazy lady. We're checking, make sure everybody's out. We got it. Feel clear. Yeah! We did it! Victory,
Oh, I
bro.
got like 7 people out.
And 3 of us have no ammo. He's got none. I've got none. She's got none. Mommy's got none. Mike, you got ammo? All right, Mike's got ammo. More than half the team had no ammo, and we psyched them out. Who's having fun? Go, 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 go! Surrender! Surrender? No? Ah! Yo, all my team just left me. I can't even see it. Oh, my finger is hurting. I got no paint, I'm out. Oh God. Dude, my finger hurts so bad. I ran out of paint and I got hit in my finger but didn't break and it hurts. Oh, it's so red.
I got hit 3 times, but it never splattered on me. I didn't accept your surrender request.
I know. I told him to surrender, but he didn't back down. Yo.
I was like, no.
Dude, this is savage. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I was trying to spell Mike. Yeah, everybody have fun?
Yeah! No!
Whoa! Mike, what are you doing? This ship looks like an elephant. Lexi's on her second plate. Oh my goodness, Lex.
I haven't eaten the
Oh my God. What movie are we going to see now?
Justice League.
Justice League. Who's your favorite Justice League character?
Wonder Woman.
I heard Captain Spider-Woman America. I'm so full from hibachi. Everybody's still getting snacks.
Alright, let's go!
Yo, the cake looks like your shirt, bro.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, dear Mary. Happy birthday to me. Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 18? Ah!
Yeah!
Oh, look at that slice dough.
Alright, the cake is not thawed, so it's basement time. Okay, alright. Like we don't have enough candy. Oh my goodness. Johnny, yes, Papa? So something, yeah, something's quite wrong with that. There we go, okay, cool. So bro, what's the agenda for the rest of the night? Like you got plans or something? Cause it's like 11. So I was thinking, stay up all night? Oh, alright. You guys heard it here. Yeah, you want some gum? Yo, you want some gum, bro?
Oh, no.
Don't be scared, man.
I know what it is. It's a taser. I'm good.
Okay. You're the birthday boy, man. You gotta do it.
No.
Whoa! Whoa! I'm gonna spin the wheel. And if I spin it, oh, it says Mike has to take the bubble gum. I spun the wheel. It says you have to take the bubble gum.
Oh yeah, let's see.
Let's just trick Mike. Trip him. You broke my wheel. Look, now the evidence is gone. Fine, you know what? Just trap that fool. Yeah. If you aren't gonna take bubble gum, you trap. Roll him. Roll him. Roll the birthday boy. Let's shut off the lights and leave him.
Yeah.
Quick. Okay, fam. Whoa, bro, it just got dark. 1:15. See if these peeps are still up. What are y'all watching? All right, they're watching a movie, falling asleep. That's about it for Michael's birthday party. Now I'm gonna go catch some hay, cause that's about it for today. I'm always rapping. Even when I was a kid, I used to just sing. Like I'd go to my mommy and be like, "Mommy, can I have some cookies, please?" And she'd be like, "Why are you singing?" And I'm like, I don't know, cause one day I'm gonna be on YouTube and I'm gonna write songs and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna marry a wife that looks at me funny cause I talk into a camera as if someone's answering me back. Cause y'all are like my friends. Super mad fail, bro. Peep this out, y'all.
Fault. Garage door.
Don't listen to her, baby. It's not your fault. You don't know what you're talking about. Fault your mama. Mike, birthday party pinata. We didn't even use it because we had so much candy that the dentist called me. Somehow he found out. He was like, "Yo, you better not eat all that candy because you're gonna get some cavities." We got candy here. We got candy downstairs. Oh, so good though. Whoa, look at the size of that lemon head. Mess up. Gonna wake up.
Eat some bagels.
Eat some breakfast. Oh, you're gonna go get bagels?
No, you're gonna get bagels.
I'll go get bagels. I don't care. And then we got a music video to shoot. And maybe we'll do a gift haul or something later.
Whoa.
You like that catch? I got that dope catch. I just want to talk to you guys, but you guys aren't talking back, so I'm just gonna go.
So rude.
You guys are being mean to me. I didn't do anything. I already said I'm sorry about the solar eclipse. Jeez!
The next morning.
Guys, breakfast is here! Oh, nothing left for me. We got that fondue-ski. You slice bananas so nicely. Let's get 1 billion thumbs up on this video if we gotta make a shirt for mommy that says not dressed for YouTube, because that's why I can't get her face in. It should be like not maked up for YouTube. Hey, hey, hey! Give me that! Hey, don't pop it! No, don't bite it. Give me that. Give it to me. Ow. Oh. Whoa! Sean, how's the food taste?
Yeah, mommy.
What's the matter? You getting mad at Lexi because she's dressed like that?
Sean's blanket. Get off my.
Here you go.
Oh.
I'm gonna push out all the candy.
All right, let's do it. Go.
Slow motion.
Wow, epic!
Oh! Oh! What the? Oh my gosh!
Kai's comparison. Lex, give him back his blanket. Are you teasing your brother?
Children watching at home, don't tease thy sibling. Order of the court, off with your head.
Do you want to wear it?
Your underwear.
No, Lex, his poor knees. Jeez.
Look at that dirt, though.
Yeah, do you want to wear it?
Oh, look at that boy. Oh, little Riding Hood, little Riding Hood.
Can I get some cheese with that burrito?
Huh? Scared you.
Feel that ASMR. Feel that Feel that ASMR. Look at this dude.
Are you okay?
Birthday hole! Now let's rewind about 1 week prior to when it was Mike's actual birthday.
Sean, are we ready for Michael's birthday? Okay, I'm gonna go get him.
Hey, what are you doing there?
How long have you been there?
For like ever.
Are you just waiting?
Yeah.
All right, dude, how old are you today?
I'm turning 9
When?
today.
So you are 9.
Oh yeah.
All right, so you got
I've
the new...
been 8 for like 12 years. Got the new mic merch.
And we don't know your name, because it's not like you wear it all the time. Reppin', right? All right, so what do you want to do today?
Think? I don't know.
That sounds cool. We can definitely
Sounds fun.
We can make I don't know happen. All right, you stay right there. I'm gonna take a little journey to see if we're ready.
Guys, Mike is coming. Are you ready? Okay, come on, Mike. Come very slow. Okay, wait, we're not ready. Go back upstairs. I'm just kidding.
We took so long to get Mike's birthday ready that our pet Triceratops died waiting. Come on, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Look at your pancake stack.
Is that 9 pancakes?
No, you're 9 years old.
No, this is, I'm opening it.
Oh, you're going right to the present?
Are you okay? We're going to the presents. Can we eat? Okay, fine.
Harold gel. I like that. Harold gel.
Michael is a fashion man.
Like that. Some shirts.
Oh, wait 1 second. Hey, Sean, can you go get me some hot sauce for the eggs?
Says you are strong.
Nice. You got that hoodie for the winner.
Like, this is mine. Okay.
Chase got that for you.
No?
You didn't? Who did?
From Fondly.
Yeah, but whose idea was it?
Your idea.
What, mine?
Chase, are you serious, bro?
This is Chase's card.
Wait, I thought he made it for you.
My card.
Wait, hold on 1 second. Sean, did you get that hot sauce?
No.
Why?
No.
Look at that. Chase got them drawing skills like his big bro.
I hope you have a good birthday. You are the amazing brother. Yay.
Good job.
Open it. Hello, for your time. Ow. What?
You got the hot sauce?
Yeah.
When did you go? Chase wanted to get you a backpack that you can drink out of.
I wanted one of these. And then you put water in the back and then you drink out of it.
Yeah, or we don't have to tell mommy, but we can put Sprite in there.
See, my thank you, Chase. Target Visa gift card, $25.
Holla!
I knew it.
What you gonna spend it on?
Candy, obviously. Oh yeah, more presents. More hair gel.
More hair gel.
Hair gel.
Hashtag hair gel.
What is this? Cologne? Ooh, yeah, you got that new cologne. Nice. Yeah. Come on. Bye.
Behind the dough basketball.
Oh my God.
Hey, I think Sean's more excited. Can he have
More
it?
hair gel.
Hair gel.
Thank you guys. Hey guys, Harold.
You're welcome.
Harold gel.
All right, now it's time to eat
Hey guys.
some delicious breakfast meat. Maybe some strawberries or GRAPEs.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday
to G. Happy birthday to G. Happy birthday to G. Because that's backwards. 9. Whoa, nice.
Mommy,
What'd you wish for?
I wish for a new mommy. Xbox and mansion, money. I wish for everything. I wish for a better brother. No, I'm just kidding. I love you.
Oh, is food good or what? Did you like your food? Are you sleeping on your food?
No.
What are you doing then? So,
peeps.
somebody's skipping school today.
Yeah.
Both of you guys.
I'm sorry.
Because, you know, it's like a typical birthday. What do? We wake up, we have breakfast, we go to a movie, and then for dinner we go to Hibachi. So anyway, we're going to see Thor Ragnarok.
Ragnarok.
All right, Mike, let's see. You got your birthday luck, right? Oh. Hey, that's good, man. If we was playing a game of try not to score, you just won. Mike actually got an 8. If we turn it sideways, it's an 8. Right in.
Happy birthday to you.
Alrighty, Funnel Cakes, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to celebrate Michael's birthday with us. We'll see you in the next video. Have a funnel day.
Do you know what YouTube said?
What?
They want to delete Don't Much Fun, Chase's Corner. The whole channel. Because they said that we do inappropriate things, like
Gummy worms?
like play with gummy worms, right? And toys.
Jello worms?
Yeah, like jello worms, like that's inappropriate.